Ever wondered why dandruff keeps coming back? It's that pesky scalp condition that can leave you feeling self-conscious and constantly scratching your head. It's more common than you might think, affecting millions of people worldwide. Those little white flakes are more than just an annoyance. They can be a sign of an imbalance in your scalp's natural environment. This imbalance can be caused by a variety of factors, including poor hygiene, harsh hair products, and even changes in weather. Dryness, fungal overgrowth, and even stress can contribute to dandruff. When your scalp is dry, it can become irritated and start to flake. Fungal overgrowth, particularly of a yeast-like fungus called Malassezia, can also lead to dandruff. And let's not forget stress, which can exacerbate all these issues. But don't despair. There's a natural solution that can help you regain control of your scalp and your confidence. You don't have to rely on chemical-laden shampoos and treatments. Let's explore a DIY hair and scalp mask packed with ingredients straight from nature's pantry. These ingredients are not only effective, but also gentle on your scalp. We're going to unlock the secrets to combating dandruff and restoring your scalp's natural vibrancy using simple, natural ingredients you can find in your kitchen. Think of items like coconut oil, honey, and aloe vera, which have moisturizing and antifungal properties. This isn't just about masking the problem, it's about nourishing your scalp and hair from the inside out. By using these natural remedies, you're addressing the root cause of dandruff and promoting overall scalp health. So, say goodbye to those embarrassing flakes and hello to a healthier, happier scalp. With a little effort and the right ingredients, you can achieve a flake-free, confident you. Our journey to dandruff-free hair starts with gathering our weapons of choice. Not literal weapons, of course, but a powerful blend of natural ingredients. We're going to harness the potent properties of avocado, coconut oil, yogurt, an egg, and tea tree oil. Each ingredient plays a crucial role in this scalp-soothing symphony. Together, they create a mask that not only combats dandruff but also nourishes your hair, leaving it soft, shiny, and full of life. Get ready to unleash the power of nature on your scalp and experience the joy of healthy, dandruff-free hair. First up, we have the avocado, a fruit celebrated for its creamy texture and incredible health benefits. For our hair mask, avocado is our moisturizing superstar. Rich in vitamins A, D, and E, avocado deeply nourishes and hydrates the scalp, combating dryness that can often lead to dandruff. These vitamins also work their magic on the hair shaft, leaving your locks feeling soft and manageable. But avocado's talents don't stop there. It's a natural source of biotin, a B vitamin that promotes hair growth and strengthens hair follicles, reducing breakage and promoting overall hair health. So, while we're banishing those pesky flakes, avocado is working double duty to give you the luscious, healthy hair you've always dreamed of. Next, we're whisking you away to the tropics with coconut oil, a versatile ingredient renowned for its antibacterial and antifungal properties. Coconut oil is a natural emollient, which means it softens and soothes the scalp while providing deep hydration. This is particularly beneficial for those with dandruff, as a dry, irritated scalp can exacerbate the condition. But coconut oil's talents extend beyond hydration. Its potent antifungal properties help combat Malassezia globosa, a common yeast-like fungus that can contribute to dandruff. By keeping this fungus in check, coconut oil helps restore balance to your scalp's ecosystem, reducing flakiness and itching. Section 5. Yogurt Probiotic Powerhouse for Scalp Health. Now let's talk about yogurt, a surprising yet potent ally in our fight against dandruff and scalp issues. Yogurt is a powerhouse of probiotics, those beneficial bacteria that are essential for a healthy gut and overall well-being. But did you know that probiotics can also benefit your scalp in amazing ways? When applied topically, yogurt's probiotics help balance the scalp's natural pH level and fight off harmful bacteria that can contribute to dandruff. Yogurt also contains lactic acid, a gentle exfoliant that helps remove dead skin cells and flakes, further promoting a healthy scalp environment. Section 6. Egg Protein Punch for Hair Strength. No dandruff-busting dream team would be complete without the humble egg. Eggs are packed with protein, a vital nutrient for hair strength and growth. The protein in eggs helps repair damaged hair shafts, reducing breakage and split ends. This is particularly important for those with dandruff, as scratching and irritation can weaken hair strands. But the benefits of eggs don't end there. They're also rich in biotin, which, as we learned earlier, is essential for healthy hair growth. Biotin helps strengthen hair follicles, reducing hair fall and promoting a fuller, healthier head of hair. Section 7. Tea tree oil, nature's antifungal warrior. Finally, we have tea tree oil, a potent essential oil renowned for its powerful antifungal and antiseptic properties. Tea tree oil is a natural powerhouse when it comes to combating dandruff. It effectively targets Malassezia globosa, the pesky fungus often responsible for those annoying flakes. But tea tree oil's talents don't stop at eliminating fungus. It also helps soothe scalp inflammation and reduce itching, providing much-needed relief from the discomfort often associated with dandruff. A few drops of this potent oil are all you need to harness its incredible dandruff-fighting abilities. Section 8. Crafting your dandruff-busting concoction. Now that we've met our all-star team of dandruff-fighting ingredients, let's combine them into a luxurious scalp-soothing mask. Grab a ripe avocado, scoop out its creamy flesh and mash it well in a bowl. Then, measure out 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and melt it gently. Add the melted coconut oil to the mashed avocado, followed by 4 tablespoons of plain yogurt, 1 egg, you can use just the yolk if you prefer, and finally, 5 drops of tea tree oil. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly until you achieve a smooth, consistent paste. Your dandruff-busting concoction is now ready to work its magic on your scalp and hair. Section 9. Mask application, the ritual for revitalization. This is a crucial step in your hair care routine that can make a significant difference in the health and appearance of your hair. With your DIY hair mask ready, it's time to treat your scalp and hair to a revitalizing spa experience. This homemade mask is packed with nourishing ingredients that will deeply condition and rejuvenate your hair. Start by dampening your hair. This step is essential as it helps the mask to spread more easily and ensures that your hair absorbs the nutrients effectively. Then, section your hair and apply the mask generously to your scalp, gently massaging it in with your fingertips. This massage not only helps in better absorption, but also stimulates blood circulation, promoting healthier hair growth. Ensure you cover your entire scalp, paying extra attention to areas prone to dryness or flakiness. These areas often need more care and hydration to prevent issues like dandruff and itchiness. Once your scalp is coated, work the remaining mask through the lengths of your hair. This ensures that every strand gets the benefit of the mask, making your hair stronger and more resilient. The nourishing ingredients will condition your hair, leaving it soft, shiny, and manageable. You'll notice a significant improvement in the texture and overall health of your hair. Now put on a shower cap or wrap your hair in a warm towel and let the mask work its magic for 20 to 30 minutes. This waiting period allows the ingredients to penetrate deeply, providing maximum benefits and leaving your hair revitalized and refreshed. Section 10. Embrace the power of natural hair care. Natural hair care is not just a trend, it's a lifestyle choice that brings numerous benefits to your hair and scalp. After your scalp and hair have enjoyed the nourishing embrace of the mask, it's time to rinse it off. This step is crucial to remove any residue and ensure your hair feels fresh and clean. Use lukewarm water and a gentle shampoo to thoroughly cleanse your hair and scalp. Lukewarm water helps to open up the hair cuticles, allowing the shampoo to penetrate deeply and remove impurities. You'll notice a difference in your scalp's feel immediately, softer, smoother, and less itchy. This is because natural ingredients work in harmony with your body's chemistry, providing a balanced and soothing effect. Regular use of this DIY hair mask, coupled with a healthy diet and stress management techniques, can significantly improve your scalp's health and banish those pesky flakes for good. Incorporate foods rich in vitamins and minerals, and practice relaxation techniques like yoga to enhance the benefits. Embrace the power of natural hair care and rediscover the joy of healthy, dandruff-free hair. Natural products are free from harsh chemicals, making them a safer and more sustainable choice for your hair care routine. Share this natural solution with your friends and family, and let's spread the love for happy, healthy scalps. By sharing these tips, you can help others experience the benefits of natural hair care and promote a community of wellness and beauty.